Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make burgers and fries in Toca Boca. First, head to the kitchen and gather your ingredients. Locate the ground meat and drag it to the cutting board to shape it into a patty. Then, place your patty on the stovetop or grill. Cook it until it's nicely browned on both sides, ensuring it's ready for assembly. This is the first step to a delicious meal. Now for the fun part, assembling your burger. Start by grabbing a fresh bun. Next, add your favorite toppings like a slice of cheese, crisp lettuce, and juicy tomato. Don't forget to place your perfectly cooked patty on top. Finish it off with a dollop of ketchup or mustard for that extra flavor. Your burger is almost complete. Let's move on to the perfect side dish, crispy fries. Locate the potatoes in the kitchen and drag them to the slicer. Watch as they transform into perfect fry shapes. Now, carefully place your raw fries into the deep fryer. Cook them until they reach a beautiful golden brown color and are wonderfully crispy. A pinch of salt makes them even better. Finally, it's time to serve your amazing meal. Carefully place your assembled burger and a generous portion of golden fries onto a plate. For a complete dining experience, grab a refreshing drink from the fridge. Now, find your favorite Toca Boca character and present them with your culinary masterpiece. Enjoy watching them savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.